Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix a WhatsApp verification code problem. So guys, if you are logging your WhatsApp account and facing the issue that verification code is not received on your phone number. So guys, how can you fix it? So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to open your settings in your iPhone or iPad, and guys, after this, you need to click on Wi-Fi. And guys, after clicking on Wi-Fi, make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected with your iPhone. So guys, if already connected, then you need to click on Wi-Fi and click on forget this network. And guys, after this, you need to connect it again with your phone. And guys, if you do not have Wi-Fi, then you need to open your mobile data. And guys, the second method is you need to scroll down, click on general, and guys, after this, you need to click on iPhone storage. And guys, after this, you need to scroll it down, and here you need to find WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp, and guys, after this, click on offload app and click on offload. And after doing offload, you need to reinstall again from your app store. And the third method is you need to open your settings again, scroll it down, and guys, here you need to find WhatsApp. So guys, here is the option of WhatsApp. You need to click here, and guys, make sure all the access are allowed in your phone. So guys, here you can see contact list is allowed. So guys, if it is do not allow in your iPhone, then you need to allow this feature. And photos, gallery, full access, and microphone, camera, all of these. So guys, after doing this, you need to go back, and you guys, you need to open your app store in your iPhone or iPad, and guys, here you need to search WhatsApp. So guys, search here WhatsApp, and guys, after this, you need to click on WhatsApp Messenger. Guys, here you can see, and update your WhatsApp. So guys, here you can see my WhatsApp is not updated. So guys, first of all, you need to update it, and guys, after updating it, you need to go back, and guys, check that your problem is fixed or not. So guys, if still not received your code, then you need to restart your mobile phone. So guys, restart your iPhones, or if you are using, so guys, if you are using Android, then you need to restart your Android phone. And after restarting, you need to click on get new code, and after this, you will be able to get your verification code in your phone number. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.